Hey guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I will be teaching how to create a function module in SAP ABAP. So for creating a function module, you have to go to the transaction SE37, click on enter. Now I will name the function module. I have given a name here, ZFM underscore EMP underscore login underscore MD, and I will click on create. Now I will add the function group and give a short text. Now I will click on save, click on continue. Now we have the import parameters. We have to add import parameters over here. So I have two import parameters. One is employee ID, the other one is password. The typing would be type. The associated type would be ZHR underscore EMP underscore S hyphen employee ID. And the same for password. So now this is the structure I have created in my previous video, ZHR underscore EMP underscore S, and we are accessing the fields in the structure which were employee ID and password, which were present in my structure. So now the import parameters are done. You will press enter. Now we will move to export parameters. Here I will declare one export parameter return. Typing would be type. Associated type would be BAPI RET2. This is a standard associated type in SAP system. You will press enter. We will go to tables. Here we will declare the internal table that we have to use in the source code of this function module. So I will declare internal data ID employee, and the typing would be like, and the associated type would be the table I created in my previous video, ZHR underscore EMP underscore MD. We will click on enter. Now we will go to the source code. Here we will write our source code. So we have to write like this: select employee underscore ID, password from the table I created, which was ZHR underscore EMP underscore HR EMP underscore MD into my internal table which I created, IT employee, where the employee ID should match with the employee ID I have declared in my import section, and the password from the table should match with the password I declared in the import section. We will now create the error handling code below the select query. If psi sabasi eq 0 return type equal to s, which means success, or else return type equal to exit, and we will end if so. Here in this code we are selecting the employee ID and password from our table, and we are checking whether employee ID in the internal table matches with the employee ID of the original database table, and even the password is getting checked. Now if the program runs successfully, then it should return a return type success S, or else it should return a return type E, which means exit. We'll save it and activate it. Click on continue. And now we will test it. So here we can add the employee ID, suppose 6. So this is the username and the employee ID and the password I declared in the table. So we will test it. So here I have put employee ID as 7 and the password as 7, and we are receiving a success message. That means this employee ID and the password is matching with the internal table, and we are getting a success message. So thank you. Hope you like this video. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe, and hit the bell icon.